Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing a playlist cover photo on Spotify. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. There isn't a way to do this on the mobile app or on the Spotify web player. The only way to do it is on the desktop version. Open up the Spotify app and then open the playlist you want to change the image on. Click on the current playlist image to edit it, then click the image again in the pop-up. Choose your desired image and click Open. Hit Save at the bottom of the pop-up. As you can see, the playlist image has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Spotify tips and tricks.